Bang! Broadcast. Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Thursday, January the 12th, 2012, 4 p.m. Eastern. You're looking at an hourly chart of the S&P. Oh, baby. It's a shame the currency markets didn't trade like that. Well, some did. Not really. But really, the story of the day today is the euro. Even though numbers that came out were terrible across the board pretty much. London numbers were not very good. And Draghi did not deliver. You would have thought the euro would have gotten smashed. But no. Started to come in if you were trading at that point. Things definitely reversed. S&P came in almost, 16 handles? More? That was a nice little sell-off we had. But, of course, comeback king. Stock market's never going down. But Draghi not lowering rates like many in the market thought they would. Talking about inflation, talking about things really not that great, but there's stability at these levels. I still don't know what he said that really made the euro go up. The only thing I can say is this. It was a buy the euro on the news event. No matter what happened, the euro was going up. You take a look at the euro across the board, and we see that the euro is getting killed. Euro Aussie. Look at that move. Getting killed for how long? A long time. 30-day move. Look at this. So if there was a time then the euro was going to basically rally, it was going to be on the event that everyone thought it would collapse. The crescendo. The pivot point. So you look at this chart. Euro definitely turned the corner. I think it's going to be a 1 or 2 day event. Euro Canada, another one, popping nicely, breaking a whole downtrend channel line. And we say, well, wait, the stock market was up. Why is the euro going up, right? Commodity currencies usually go higher. Higher yielders usually go higher. Again, this was an event, and they got out. The market players got out of the euro. I mean, you look at the daily chart, a lot of these, we got monster reversals. And you can make a case that, hey, they didn't cut rates. That's a good thing for the currency. Okay. Euro sterling got killed in that today. Oof. Got short around here. It was a rollover. Oh, baby. Help me. Probably going a little higher. Going to fib on this. Maybe it goes to 84. Euro sterling. But we take a look at a lot of charts, and certainly it looks like the dollar should continue to sell off. Cable, doji, even with the bad numbers, even with euro sterling popping, cable putting up a fight here, refusing to go up, but also refusing to go down. Bottom of a channel, looks like it could pop up easy, 154. Take a look at some of the daily charts. But certainly U.S. retail sales disappointing. U.S. jobless claims very disappointing, back up to 399. I got to tell you, I was not impressed with these numbers today at all. Federal budget, worse by $7 billion. That's almost an 8% increase from estimates. Not good. Canada had a good number. That's about it. Eurozone industrial production, a little better, but revision was down. Still, 2 months in a row, negative industrial production. Terrible. Yes, we had the bond auction. Yes, it went well, relatively. But that's it. And we take a look at this sterling, and we see a nice big doji. Little doji. As long as we don't take out today's lows, that looks like a nice long. Look at the euro dollar also. Breaking out. Should go up to the 20 exponential. That's around 129.10. Mini breakout on the euro. Maybe even 130. And the euro dollar is the one that really didn't even go up compared to the other ones. Euro Aussie. Euro Swiss didn't go anywhere, but even euro yen had a nice bounce. Breaking out a little bit, 4-day high. Brought it down yesterday, and no soup for you, no follow-through. Again, this is very bullish. We rolled over, and now we're closing above previous day high. Very bullish. Doesn't matter what I think about the macroeconomics. These charts look good. They did not cut rates out of Eurozone. We have no numbers. We have trade balance coming out. That's it. Trade balance out of Canada, U.S., input-output prices out of London, and that's pretty much it with the Michigan sentiment at 9.55. I think gold may have reversed here a little bit. Nice wick. Crude came in because of sanctions against Iran. Europeans are delaying it. But I'd love to say this is a reversal in gold, but didn't get to my price. I was really hoping gold would just get up there a little more. You know, couldn't make it. But this 1700, 1690 level, oh yeah. Come on, there's a bear bounce in my opinion. Gold is still in a bear market. We've broken. I think we have to retest certain levels. But certainly for now, I think we make a push up to that channel line. Got another channel line right here. No. It's here. Crude with a nice reversal. Rolling over. Not very good. Again, U.S. numbers not very good. Trade balance numbers tomorrow could have an impact on black gold. Inflation numbers in China a little bit weak. That means they can lower rates more. Even though I didn't, everyone talking how the numbers were weak, but I had them higher than estimates. Just by a little. What are we looking at? Dollar yen. Terrible. But with the euro up so much, dollar yen sort of held. A little outside candle, almost. Never took out 60. Holding 60. It's amazing. It was looking like it was going to break. That's only 15 pips, though. I tell you, it sucks trading dollar yen these days. Dollar Canada. A little bit of a hanger man. Outside candle, yes, but we did take out the lows barely. Took out the highs barely. If the stock market's going to rally, this baby should come in. What a wedge. I mean, what a wedge. And remember, people, triple roll did not work last night. We are doing a webinar on Sunday, 3 p.m., free. Email me at info, at globalfxllc.com to reserve your spot. We still have about 5 spots left. Should be an entertaining webinar. Certainly teach you something. Interest rate differentials. But you look at this wedge in dollar Canada, something's coming. And if the stock market's going to break out, which we take a look, we really didn't do the daily in the S&P, did we? Nailed our channel line to perfection. Sold off and then came back, though. Really not to perfection, was it? As we know, we took this one out. And they drilled them because Draghi did not deliver. But this is looking like, what was that, 1310, 1311. And did the S&P reverse on the daily basis? It's a new closing high. You could even make a case, hey, went for a run for the lows, made new highs, and closed above the highs, bullish. So the stock market might close pretty strong tomorrow. The fact that we went through 1300, again, I got my channel line right here. It's not there yet. Tomorrow's a big day. See if we can close well above it. Lots of charts look like they want to continue. We look at the dollar index. Doesn't look very good. Toppy. Closing below previous day lows. Should get to my channel line at 80. Euro 129, you know. Aussie's going to try and make a run. Aussie trying to break out of the wedge. Never really even pulled back. But another one with a channel line. If the S&P is going to make that run there, well, this one's going to make a run here. Certainly above 104. Looks very bullish. That's about 104.60, 104.70. I would imagine we can get there tomorrow. Aussie Kiwi coming back. They broke it. But I'll tell you, break it down and break it out. There's probably a nice long now. This Kiwi was outperforming New Zealand. I was short it today. Very toppy. But another one. It's broken out. The trend has turned. 10, 20, 30, all across to the upside. This baby's trying to turn. Like I said, New Zealand I like. I think the New Zealand economy this year is rebuilding from the devastating earthquake. Egg prices are going up. Lamb prices are going up. Sheep prices are going up. And then, of course, you got Branson and the Virgin Airways building the biggest biofuel center in the world there. So, continue to like this. But I'll tell you, take a look at some of the crosses. This pound Aussie couldn't get there. But trying. But we look at Euro Aussie. I got to tell you, that looks like one hell of a bottom. I mean, look at that chart. They drilled it. Outside candle. Took out the low. Took out the high. Closing above previous day high. That's a long. Oh, yeah. Got to be longer, baby. Buy on pullback. Stop yourself out at 123. Love it. Love this trade. I think Euro Sterling looks good. Again, these are all temporary moves in my opinion, but Euro Sterling looks like it wants to continue higher. I think the Aussie could grind a little bit, and Euro dollar goes up more. But certainly if Aussie explodes tonight and the Euro doesn't, that's going to be a buy on pullback opportunity in Euro Aussie. Oh, yeah, I'm not chasing this thing. But if the stock market's going to explode and close strong tomorrow, Aussie could explode, and we could be right back down with this thing. So if this baby gets up to 125 and the futures are exploding, I want to be short it. We get a nice little reversal. So tomorrow, in my opinion, is a very big day, especially for the weekly charts, to see if we get continuation. I got to tell you, I'm not sure. I think the foreign exchange markets have been all bajiggity. Absolute crazy day today. Stock market came back. Euro kept going up. Aussie not taking out today's highs. Okay. I understand. So, again, I think we get more back to normal, but if it is a bottom in Euro Aussie, I find it hard to believe that the stock market is going to explode. If this did bottom, again, we came down 900 pips. If this did bottom, I don't see how the stock market's going to keep going up. No way. So the stock market's going to go up. Look for 125. And if the market's going up, Aussie's going to explode. This good baby comes right back down. So I'm looking for 125 to short. But I think it should be a good long. So we finesse it, you know. BOP, buy on pullback. SOS, sell on strength. Oh, baby. And again, follow me on YouTube and Facebook and Twitter. Voice of Forex, people. Dollar Swiss came in nicely. It's an SOS, sell on any strength. Sorry I missed it. I think we come in easy 93.50. Should be a nice 100 pips. Get a pop up to like 94.75. What else do we miss? Euro Canada, big move up. I hope this thing gets to 134. Again, it's been going down for a month. It was due. And why not on the news, no matter what? So I think this baby can get up to 134, 133.50. It's a BOP. Buy on pullback. We're up nicely. Maybe dollar Canada pops up and euro dollar goes up. But the euro across the board looks like it wants to go higher. Except Swiss. All right, people. Remember, no Friday broadcast, so have a great weekend. I would imagine trade balance numbers could have an impact. But any close above 1,300, 1,310, if they close this market strong, we are going to be breaking out. Dollar should come in more. I don't think we're off to the races. I think it's more grinding, like today's action. And then we'll see. I'm not buying into this rally. Channel lines will hold. Andrew Spanton, info at Global FX LLC, the only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves to make you money. Hey, that was a sell on the news, baby. S&Ps came in nicely. Hopefully you got my twit. Dollar didn't work, but the S&P was gorgeous. Have a good one.